Morning everyone, back again. Hope you're enjoying this home learning and getting on all right with it. Another maths lesson for you now. Today we are looking at calculating the volume of cuboids. We talked about this after the mock test you did last week in school, so you should be really good. But I just want to refresh it and give you time to practice. Okay, so I've drawn a cuboid, a three-dimensional shape, which looks a bit like that really, a box shape. So a cuboid can either have different length sides, the length and the width and the height, or if they're all the same, then it's a special cuboid, which we all know is called a cube. Right, so how do we calculate the volume? What is the volume? The volume is the space inside. It's the amount of space that the shape takes up in 3 dimensions. So first of all, we're going to make one. Everything's falling on the floor, just ignore the crashes. Right, so let's look at the front of this cuboid. We can see that it's 5 centimetres by 4 centimetres. And we know that we can work out the area of that because we have got 4 rows and each one has got 5 across. So if we were just working out the area of that front bit, it would be 4 lots of 5, 20 centimetres squared. But because we're looking at volume, which is 3-dimensional, rather than looking at a flat amount, we are looking at an actual amount of space. So to make that front row, I've got 20 cubes. Because it is 3 centimetres deep, I need to do that 3 times. So there's another one. And there's another one. So I have now made that cuboid. We know that each one of these is 20 cubes, and we know that we've got 3 of them to make the full 3-dimensional shape. So let's record that, shall we, for a second. So to make the front layer, if you think of it as layers or slices, I need to have 5 lots of 4, which we know are 20. And to make each of the slices, I need 3 because it's 3 centimetres deep. So I need to multiply that by 3. And these are all obviously in centimetres, okay? So I'll just write those on. You wouldn't normally write them up in the air, okay? And we know that 5 times 4 is 20, and if we multiply that by 3, 3 2s are 6, so 3 20s must be 60. Now our units, because we've got centimetres, multiplied by centimetres, multiplied by centimetres, it's not going to be centimetres squared this time, it's going to be centimetres cubed. So if we turn that into a formula, because we want to be able to work this out for every single cuboid possible, we can write that the volume is equal. On that one it was 5 centimetres, and that's the length times the width times the height. We actually did the length times the height times the depth because it's easier to build the slices that way. But we all know that multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter which way round it is. So the 3 dimensions of a cuboid, you just multiply together and that gives you your answer. Simple as that today, okay? I'm not going to do any more because we've done it so recently. You'll be fab. Have a go at the work and let me know if you have any problems. Speak to you soon. Bye.